Students, and welcome to the first level of the multiplication word problems. Here you're going to learn how to use all the multiplication you've been working so hard on in your real life. So let's get started. On your first quiz, there are 3 different types of problems, and I'm going to walk through each one of them. So here we go. Okay, the first problem you'll see looks something like this. It says Steve bought 3 bars of chocolate with 4 squares each. Write a multiplication sentence to represent how much chocolate Steve bought altogether. Don't forget to give the answer to the multiplication problem. So first, let's just draw a picture. So Steve bought 3 bars of chocolate. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then the second part says with 4 squares each. So now I'm going to draw 4 squares each. So I have 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now I have my picture down, and now I just need to figure out how many squares he has in all. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So now I know he has 12 squares of chocolate in all, but I need to not forget to give the answer to the multiplication problem as well as the answer. So really, you need to type the whole equation. So this shows, so I have 3 bars, so this has 3 times the 4 squares in each, and he has 12 in all. So this shows 3 times 4 equals 12. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, now we're working with donuts. Okay, the donut shop made 2 trays of donuts with 5 donuts on each tray. Write a multiplication sentence that represents how many donuts the donut shop made. And again, don't forget to give the answer to the multiplication sentence. Okay, we have donut shop with 2 trays of donuts. So I'm just going to draw my trays. 1 tray and 2 tray. Okay, and I have 5 donuts on each tray. Okay, so I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this picture represents the multiplication problem above, but you also need to remember to write an equation and the answer to that problem. So I have 2 trays, which is my first number. I have 2 times the 5 donuts on each tray. And if I were to count them all up, I have 5 here. So I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this word problem shows 2 times 5 equals 10. Okay, one more to go. Okay, Parker looks on 2 shelves for fruit snacks, and on each shelf he found 4 fruit snacks. We need to write a multiplication equation that represents the total number of fruit snacks Parker found. Okay, Parker's looking on shelves. So we'll have this be our shelves. So we have 1 and 2 shelves. And he's looking for fruit snacks, and he finds 4 on each shelf. So here's 1 bag of fruit snacks, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we take our numbers to write our equation. So we have 2 shelves times the number he found on each shelf, which is 4. And if we're to count them all up, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 times 4 equals 8. Okay, thanks for listening. Have a nice day.